Chinga kibune chiga. Musene tomo chore mo ske muswati Essy Okenyuri nigo aorokiro basemera kwa ebuna umuswada bwo kwegera bugima bwo kugendereria umuntu no chigwetigwa ase ebunge enene. Ukwana ime yabusia ase bikaro banyekane tebuna Senate mashinani moske Essy nigo yana kiribuna umuswado yu nigo oetiwe ne Senate na bono nigo ganetie abajumbe ko yorigereria umuswado yu umanyekane tebuna Protection of Livelihood Bill oyo ngete abantu konyora bokonyora goke asimirimo yabo tambe.
Mr. Speaker, we also have the issue of small-scale traders, the informal traders. This is very rampant. Why? They are avoiding the cumbersome procedures that are in formal trade, like regulations, the duties which are being levied, Mr. Speaker. But I'm really happy, and I would wish to support and say thank you to members in this House, because the Senate passed the Protection of Livelihood Bill, which is now in the National Assembly. And this bill, once becomes law, is going to sort the mess we are seeing at the border here, because this is going to compel county governments to incentivize areas where small-scale traders can operate from. So in one way, the county government will be making money, and the informal traders will also be thriving in conditions which are favorable for them. And then they'll have no complaint when you're taxing them. Because the issue right now, you're taxing people out of the small scale trading they engage in, but the conditions of wherever they exist are pathetic. Sanitation, very poor. So, Mr. Speaker, apart from the other issues of infrastructure, there is a lot of small-scale trading that is going on there, which needs to be put into order so that they also contribute to this economy, and on the other hand, benefit from the structures the county governments are going to provide